So I have purchased two dresses from MEESHO for just under 500. Hello everyone, this is Umera and you're watching Solo Glam. So we'll move on to this first dress. This dress has a beautiful heart kind of a neck, puff sleeves, surface styling pleated. It has got a belt and the fabric is cotton. Color combination is pretty good. We'll move on to the next dress. This is a pinafore kind. Surface styling is pleated form and it has got a white flowers. It's a black color. And this is the inner form. Short sleeves, puff sleeves. It looks pretty good. The fabric is viscose rayon. So these were the two beautiful dresses that I purchased from MEESHO for just under 500. I'm mentioning the link in the description box. You can grab your product from there. And this is enough for today. We'll meet next time with a fresh content. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel right away. And we'll meet next time. Take care. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.